Hey everybody, Sarah here from Chic Chalking and Design, and it is Tip Tuesday, and I have a good one for you. Stick with me and I will show you how to prolong the life of your paste in these lovely jars. Just takes a second and I'll show you how. Here's a tip to help prolong the life of your chalk paste. When you're finished a project, just like I have now, and the edges of your jar look like this. See all that paste along the edge of the jar? Do yourself a favor and get yourself one of these artist spatulas and get all of that paste down off of the sides as much as you can. Get it away from the rim and get it down inside so that it doesn't dry out, because it's up here on the edges where the paste will dry out. So get as much of it off of this lip and down inside the jar. That will keep your paste lasting a nice long time for you, and it'll be good to go the next time you want to use it, and the edges won't be all dried out. If that tip was helpful for you, be sure to smash that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will know when I upload content next. Thanks so much for joining me and have a fabulous day.